Zayna's Playhouse!
No! Today we're building the Hape Super Cityscape transport set, and this is the fast bullet train. That zooms around the whole city. Let's open it up and dump all the pieces so we can start building them. Wow! Look at all these pieces. There's so much to build today. Let's start with this big blue piece. This is our train station base. And right next to it, we have the city base. The trains and cars will travel between both sides. Here is our airport platform. On top is the busy boarding area. And here's where the airplanes take off and land. Now, to make the station base connects to the city base, we will use our first wooden rail tracks. One for the station side and one for the city side. Click! Now the trains can travel from the station to the city. Our ground level railway is ready. Now let's build the tall elevated track. Here's our first red curved track piece. And this is our track support pillar. It holds the elevated track up high. Let's place the pillar right underneath, and here's our second red curved track. Let's attach it to make the bridge longer. Let's connect the two tracks together. Now the elevated track is starting to take shape. Now, I'm taking two wooden straight track pieces. These will connect the elevated section back down to the main track. This piece is the railway crossing gate. These red bars go up and down to let cars pass when the train isn't coming. I'm connecting this right here. And here are two more small straight pieces. Let's connect them right here to complete this section of the track. Now we have this big red arch piece. It even has a tiny lock. This arch connects right onto the wooden track, and the train will drive through it. Next, we need to curve the railway track. So let's grab this curved piece. And we need one more curved piece to finish the turn. Now we're going to make a little bridge. This long piece is our ramp track, and this block is the support. It helps the bridge stand up tall. Let's connect the ramp to the support, just like this, so the train can go up smoothly. We'll place it right here, coming down from the station. Now we're going to build a tall double bridge on this side. We have two long bridge tracks. Let's connect the first bridge track to the platform, just like that. And now the second one goes right next to it to make a double lane bridge. These are our bridge supports. They keep the bridge standing so it won't fall. We clip one support under this side and one on the other side, and make sure it's standing straight. Now both bridge tracks are lifted up and ready for the train to cross. Now we need to extend the bridge. So I'm using these two small straight wooden tracks. And we place a support underneath to keep the track nice and steady. Next, we need curved tracks to start turning the train around. Here's our first curved track. This piece will help bend the track gently. And now we add more curved pieces to continue the turn. All these curves connect together to make a big smooth circle for the train. Now we match the bottom bridge too by adding a small piece right here. And now our double bridge curves are complete. And the track looks so cool. Now let's build the city part of our playset. This space here will be for the airport. Let's place the airport right here so the airplane has a proper runway to land on. And here's our airplane. It has rolling wheels so it can drive along the runway. Next, we're adding the fire station. This keeps our city safe in case of emergencies. We'll place the fire station right at the back here so it overlooks the whole city. Now let's add our cargo station backdrop. This shows all the shipping containers and the loading area where the crane will work. And now it's time for the cargo crane. This crane can swing side to side and lift containers on and off the trains. We'll set the crane right here so it can reach all the containers and vehicles in the loading zone. Here comes our green cargo train, bringing new supplies supplies to the station. The crane can rotate and lower its hook, just like this. To pick up the orange cargo containers, now the green cargo train pulls forward toward the airport, delivering fresh goods for the passengers at Terminal A1. Oh! Look what I found! There's a little fire. These two red flame blocks show us where the fire is. Let's bring the fire truck quickly. Whoosh! Whoosh! There we put out the fire. I'm going to park the fire truck nice and close. These are our bullet train pieces. Let's connect all the bullet train cars. There it goes! No! The train went too fast and... Silly train, and try again. Here, good as new. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.